Hi guys, so in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use Canva to make your creatives. Now, if you're a business, an e-commerce business, a dropshipping business, and any business at all, Canva is a very powerful tool you could use to make your logo, your graphics, even edit your videos, design your social media posts and stuff like that. So guys, let's get right into it. I'll leave a link to Canva. So once you go to Canva and you create your account, if you don't have one, or log in if you already have one, you'd be on this page, your Canva dashboard. So from your Canva dashboard, just click on here and you could search. So let's search for logo. So right. So under logos, you see templates. That's the good thing about Canva. There are a lot of templates that you could use that makes your work easier, makes your work faster. So there are different types of logo. There's this logo, the minimalist logo. And if you scroll through and look at this part, you would see different filters you can use. Even fashion, you can just click here. There are fashion logos and all of that. So different templates that you could use. And then if you notice this, there are also premium logos, like the ones with this. You need to be on the pro plan to use them. All right, so let's just select any logo, feminine logos. Okay, so there are just different logos that you could use, but yeah. So let's just select any logo and let me show you what you could do with Canva. All right, so we select this one. And the good thing is Canva does have an app, so you could totally work on Canva from your phone as well as from your desktop. Okay, so when you click on here, there is nothing you can't edit. You can edit, assuming your business name was Danchi or something. You could write your own business name. If you click on here, you can see colors. Your business name had a different color, maybe a green color. You could put that. So there are different things that you could do. You could animate just in case you wanted to have like maybe display the logo animation form for some reason. Yeah, so you could do that. So once you're done with how you want your logo to appear, then you could go ahead and save the logo. So to save the logo, you just go over here to share. And then you go over here to download. You could download it and everything. All right. Okay, so one more thing you need to know about logo making. When you make a logo, sometimes you want the background, you don't want to have the background, you want to have transparent background for your logo. So when you just paste it, it looks nice and clean with no background. Like, so once your logo is appearing, okay, like if you could see this type of here and you can see this logo, this possibly a transparent logo because the background doesn't have a black, it doesn't have any background. It just took the background of wherever the logo is. But if you place this logo, if you download this logo just like this, right? This logo is always going to be on this background, this black background. And sometimes you want to have a transparent logo. So if you want to get transparent logo, you just go to share and then when you click on download, these are different. So because I have done the animation, it's suggesting that I can download as a video because of the animation, but you could go for PNG. And then if your logo is on PNG, you can, of course, increase the size of the logo or reduce the size of the logo. And this is 500 times 500 pixel. So for making a transparent background, you just okay, so let's go back. Okay, download. So select PNG. Right. So back here. So for making a transparent background, you just come over here and pick this box and it becomes a transparent background. But now we can't do that. Let me show you something. If you look at this stuff here, you would see this king crown sort of stuff. It shows you that these are pro premium features. So for you to have this feature, you have to come here and then purchase the premium plan. But the good thing is you can try Canva Pro for free. So you can try it for free for 30 days and you won't be charged. So yeah. So if you're using the free trial is enough for you to download. The 30 days free trial is enough for you to download as much transparent background as you want to download. Anyways, but after that free trial, you would need to make payments if you want to keep on using the pro features. Okay, that said, let's look at how to do other things on Canva. So we'll go back to home. So assuming you want to make a banner for your maybe you want to make some kind of graphics and stuff, you could do that. But you see that there's a lot of template that they have. So let's just scroll through. There's a vector template if you want to make vectors. There is a presentation template. There's a template for Facebook posts and all of that. Let's look at vector template. All right. So you see all this template, all this stuff is customizable, very customizable. So assuming you're running a sales, So let's say okay, let's say sales, and you want to have a template to post on you want to have a graphic to run your sales and post on your social media. Just come over here, click on sales, and you can see these ones here now with this stuff, this crown stuff, they are pro versions. So if you're not on the premium, you just be limited to select from the free. Okay, so let's click on this. This is free. Yeah, good. So over here, when you click on this, you can definitely edit stuff. So you could decide to say 30% off if that's what you want to give. And for everything you click on, you can edit what is written here. You can edit what is written here. You could change the picture. You change the picture. So yeah, look at this part of it, right? With Canva, there are a lot you can do. You can there are videos, let me show you. These are all stock footages, rare free stock footages that you can make use of. Many of them are available on Canva free plan, while some of them you have to have like a pro, like this one is pro, you have to have like Canva Pro for it. Photos, a lot of stock photos you can use for Canva. Under uploads, you can upload your own photos from the computer and your own pictures from your computer. Then under elements, you can get like writing stuff, things like this under elements, and whatever you need, you just drag and drop. So under templates, right, this is the templates we are using. Now, if you're designing and you don't like this template, you can put other templates. You just clicked on it and it has changed to this template. You can try to use a different template. Okay, so let's use this one and change to this template. And you can see you can write whatever you want to write. And for photos, let's go down to photos and you could put the photo that you want to put, and you could delete as well. So if you come on this three dots here, You could put the touch image from background. You could apply colors to page. You could delete, paste, whatever you want to do. You could, like I said, drag and drop and all of those stuff. So, yeah, that is that. So let's look through let's go through other templates as well. Happy birthday, Dawi template, Christmas, sale template. So let's click on sale template. So you see all the sales templates that's available. You see there are templates for Black Friday sales. On Christmas Day and stuff, you'd even see templates for that as well. All right. Okay. So there are lots of templates that you could definitely make use of for your stuff. This is Pro. This is also Pro. For this, if you want to use this one, you have to be on the Pro version. But definitely, even if you're just on Canva free, yeah, there is a lot of free ones that you could use on Canva free. So this is free. And you can always try the premium version. You can always try the premium version. So for free for 30 days. All right. So here you can change this photo. Now we went to photos. There's a lot of photos. You can change it to one of any of these photos. So if you just drag and drop, it replaces the photo there. Drag and drop, it replaces the photo there. All right, good. But if you don't want these photos, maybe you have your own photos that you've taken and you want to upload. You go to uploads and then you upload. You could edit any of this. All right, now we are done with this. Again, again, when you click on any of this stuff, you could change color, text color, you could bold, you could align and all this stuff. For effects, you could put effects if you want for how you want the text to, if you want the text to have some kind of effect, you could definitely put that. So all of these options is you could definitely play around it and create something awesome. So here, when you click on share, you could download or share on your social media. Okay, that's that for creating graphics. So let's go over to how you can create videos on Canva. You create banners for, you need like banner, header, images. There are templates for creating banners. There are templates for creating many things on Canva. Canva is such a powerful tool. All right, so let's go back to the home and let me show you how you can edit videos. So for videos, let's just click over here, videos. And you can see different templates that you could use for your videos, different templates, different videos that you could use. But if you want to create video from scratch, let's just go here and look for the blank. Okay. So you could create TikTok videos and all of that. But I'm trying to create the videos from scratch. So I'm checking for the blank one. So here, let's click on see all. So yeah, good. Haven't clicked on see all. There is this place, this one here. That's where you can build your own video from the scratch if you want to. And you could use all the templates to create your video, all the templates to create your video. But let's see how we can build from scratch. So let me click on this. And having clicked on this, I am back on this dashboard. So what you could do, you could upload videos from your computer, or you could use upload videos from, you could upload stock videos that Canva provides you with. So let's search through Canvas, or you could even record yourself like Canva and then upload that video. But let's search through Canvas stock video. So, all right. Okay, so these are good stock videos. Um, let's see. Let's say chair. I don't know. These ones here are pro. Anyways, there are other video stock video apps. So you could, if you have your own videos, you could upload, or you could even go to all this free stock video website like Pixels and Pixabay and download videos from there and upload over here. Okay, so let's just click on any video or that is free because most of this video here are pro videos. Okay, let's use this one. This is free. So we'll drag and drop this. All right. So now we have this video. So let's add more videos. Let's add more videos. So let's use this other one too that's free. Let's drag and drop it here. Okay. So we added the page, then we'll drag and drop. Okay, good. So let's scroll down. Let's add another page over here. Let's find another video. Free video. Of course, if most of the video here is pro, and there is a lot of, like I said, website like Pixabay where you can download royalty-free stock footages, and then you could go over here and upload. Or if you have your own videos you want to use for the ads, you could go over here and upload. But let's search through. Happy or anything. Um, okay. Something. But you see, you can try Canva for free for 30 days. All right. Let me just. Okay, now if you notice, we just we just undid some of the things we did, and I don't want that. So look at this button. If you feel like you made a mistake while you're using Canva, maybe you deleted something you're not supposed to delete, this is the undo button. If you go to undo, right, we've gotten back the stuff. So just search blank. All right, these are free videos. I'm seeing free videos. Okay, so let's take this other video. So we go to this triangle here, click. Scroll to the end of the page, go to this plus icon, add a page, click on it, and then let's include this one. So now we have 3 videos, right? So once you've put the videos that you want to put, the next thing, okay, we are going back. The next thing you will do is you can click on each video and then you make your edits on that video. Now, I haven't clicked on this video, all right? I can now begin to make edits. And now when I click on it, you see this edit video, playback, all these editing features is there. For volume, I can come here. I might want to make the volume of this video 100%, or I might want to make it silent. If I might want to make it silent, or I might want to make it 100%. So for here, you could crop. Maybe I don't want everything in this video to show or something. You could do that. And then you could animate. Maybe you want the video to come like this or something. You could animate the video. And then for overlays, if you want to have overlays, like you want to have a video on a video, this is what you can do. You could, okay, let's look for another video. Let's look for another video over here so I can show you the overlay feature. So if you want an overlay, right, you could drag and drop another video as an overlay. So that way, and when you have an overlay, you can click on it and edit as well. So you can click on the overlay and you can edit the overlay. You can make the overlay smaller, or you can make the overlay fit such that you can make the overlay fit such that it covers everything, right? So the overlay has a lot. You can edit the overlay video. You can remove the background of the video, but this comes only with the premium. You could add effects, and all of this stuff. If you come over here to more, you would see volume. So sometimes you might want the overlay to be silent, depending on how you want the video to turn out. You might want the overlay to be silent, so that this other video. Okay, let's click on the other video. Now you might want this first video here to be the loudest, and then you might want this one to be silent, and then you might want to make the overlay smaller and drag it maybe to the corner, so if you play this now, you notice that. Okay, let's play it. Yeah, that both videos are happening at the same time. All right, both videos will be happening at the same time. So if it's this way, if you had made this video here to have a high volume, that means the audio from this video would be showing while this video is playing silently. So it all depends on how you want it. All right, so over here at transition, this is transition. You can add transition. Okay, we just added another page. Like I said, if you did something you want to do, you could undo. And you could use this triangle to take it back. Now, if you click over here, it is transition, right? And then you can add page, you can add transition. So if you click on add transition, there are different transitions that you could add. That's how. So this transition just shows you how the next page will play out. Good. So you could just add any transition. So let's play this. So you see the two videos are playing at the same time, depending on the volume. One could be silent, one could have a high volume, or anyhow you want it. So I want you to see the transition effect when it gets to this part. All right, so over here, yeah, that's the transition effect. So, okay, good. So there are many other things that you could do. Let's go back to that video. There are many other things that you could do. For example, if you look over here, you could see there are elements and this and all of that. So let's click on this second video and let me show you how you can add element. Just like you can add overlay with videos, you can also add with pictures. So if you click on pictures, here are some stock photos. You could drag and drop, right? And put the stock photo. All right. So if you don't want that stock photo to show throughout the video, okay, let me play this so that you see what I'm talking about. Let me play it from here. You notice that the stock photo is literally showing throughout this video. Good, it's still showing, the stock photo is still showing, this stock photo here is still showing. So if you don't want the stock photo to show throughout the video, you come to where you want the stock photo to stop showing and you right click. When you right click, you can split, right? And then when you split, you know, when you split, you can now click on the stock photo and delete. So that way you see it's not going to show throughout the video. So if you play the video from here, you see the stock photo, you see the stock photo while this video is showing. And at a point, you won't see the stock photo anymore. And you could come over here if you want again, before the stock photo starts showing. Okay, let's undo. Yeah, you could come over here and you could add transition, any transition you want to add. Well, you could leave it at no transition. All right. So having said that, there are other things you could do. You could add elements. So over here, if I click on elements, there are different graphics. So assuming I want to add, like, let's say I'm saying something about free shipping and I want to talk about free shipping, I could just search for free shipping, and these are different elements. They are pro and there are other ones. And I could just drag and drop this element. The same thing with text. You could drag and drop text. So there are different texts. I can just drag and drop this heading and go over here and write whatever I want to write. But there's something to note. Everything in Canva is editable. For this element here, when you click on it, look at it, it's red in color. You could change that and make it a different color. For example, you can make it green. You can make it whatever color you want to make it. And for this stuff, and there's a lot of other options, you could animate it. The way the element comes to the page could be by a swipe or what have you. You could animate. Now, the same thing with this one, this text, you could increase the text font. You could change the text color to a different color if you want, right? And then you could broaden the text. You could make the text in italics. You can center the text. You could give it different kind of alignment. You could put different effects for the text. For example, you could put this effect, you could put that effect. So there are like different things that you could do. All right, so I haven't shown you this. Let me also show you something else, audio, right? So under audio, you could you might want to have like music playing in the background of the video and everything. So in that case, you might want to have music playing in the background, right? So in that case, there are like both premium and free audio that you could make use of. You could just drag and drop music down here, and that is it. So you could see the music here. All right. So if you click here, depending on how you want the volume of the music to be, you could go over here and make the music volume smaller or bigger or what have you. You could animate. There are a lot of things you could do. You could add audio effects, like you can make it fade in and fade out and all of that stuff. Yeah, so that's not all. I think one of the most powerful things about Canva, let's go over here and add another page. Let's add another page. All right, cool. So one of the most powerful things about Canva is the use of templates when you're doing your video editing. If we click on templates over here, there are a lot of templates. There is both picture kind of templates and video kind of templates, a lot of them. So, okay, let's just use these templates in our video. So we just drag and drop. So now when we get over here, you would see that this template. Now, the good thing about templates is that templates are also editable. So you could put your own stuff that you want to put, whatever you could type in whatever you want to type in. You could undo it if you feel like you've made a mistake on the template. If you don't want a particular video, you could change the video. You could put a video overlay or something. There are like different things you could do with the template. You could delete this part of it if you don't want this part of it, and there's just a lot you could do. Okay, let's look at doing another template. You could put transition, but let's go to add another page so I can show you something else. All right, cool. So let's also go back to template. So that template, now this is a picture kind of template, not a video. So you could put that. So let's play this. Now you see this other stuff as well is editable. When you click on it, you could edit image starting from color, give it a green color. Okay. You could undo if you feel like you don't like how it turned out to be. All right, cool. Let's see. Change this color. This color just changed, just got a bit tinted at the bottom. Okay, so let's use another color. You could do all of that. You could click on this and also change the color if you want. Let's change to green. I think it's just the down of it that got tinted. So while you're making this adjustment, you would see in real time like how everything is turning out to be, so that you know if you want it, if you don't want any particular effect that if you made an edit and you don't like the outcome, you could undo. You could broaden this, highlight, could broaden it. You could make it on italics. You could change the alignments. So anything. So there's just a lot that you could do. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Okay. So if you go to uploads, right, you could record yourself. You could upload files as well if you want files to be part of your video edits. You could upload that. You could record yourself. But let's click on audio over here. Right. So you could also make an audio recording of yourself, or you could upload an audio. So you could either upload an audio files, or you could make an audio recording. And if you click here over video, you could either upload a video file, or you could make a video recording of yourself. And the same thing on that image, you could just upload an image file, or maybe take your own pictures or make a video recording and stuff as well. So okay, let's just click here on that audio and let's click record yourself. So now we're taking over to this page. And on this page, right, you could turn on camera while you're trying to record yourself. So maybe you did editing and then some part you want to have yourself on it, like this stuff. You want to have yourself show, you turn on camera. No, I'm not going to turn on camera. You could turn on camera and screen to have camera and screen being recorded as part of the video and different things. Or you could just leave you could turn off camera, which is already turned off. And you could do screen record, you could do camera record, you could do camera and screen record. But let me just show you how you could just do audio record, right? So you could just click on record. And as this camera is turned off, it's just going to be like an audio recording. So you'll be recording yourself. And while you're recording yourself, you can be changing pages. So I've clicked on this page. So anything I'm recording now would play within this page. Then if I click on this page, anything I'm recording, like my voice recording or video recording will play within this page. And I can do for this, record something. You see, anytime I click on a new page, right? Right. So I could go back, I could click back the record. So it start for this page. All right. So whatever I'm doing now, it started again. It's recording for this page. And when I click here, you see it started again, back to 0, recording for this page. This one already has an audio recording. That's why it's asking me to delete if I want to delete that audio recording. Right. So I can click here to make a new recording for this page. So whatever, when I'm done, I just have to click done, save and exit if I want to save that recording, then come over here and play. So now you see there are like two different sounds. If I want my recorded voice sound to be so now this is the music sound, right? Of course, I can reduce the music sound if I want my record sound to be more pronounced. So it just depends. For the stage, and when I click, right. So whatever I'm doing now, right. So you could adjust the volumes. So you see there's just limitless like stuff that you could do. Just limitless stuff that you could do. All right. For editing the videos, you see, you could even remove the background. Let me show you something else. When you right click over here, you could duplicate pages. You could split so that maybe you want to delete a portion, you split and then delete a portion or whatever. But you could duplicate pages, you could split, you could lock, you could delete page, you could add another page. With Canva, like, yes, it's a very powerful tool. So I've just shown you in this video from logo designing to graphics designing. Maybe you want to run a sales page on your social media, banner designing. There's a lot of like templates you could use. You could use vector. You could use different social media concept templates for TikTok videos and stuff. And you could even build a video from the scratch. And there's a lot of like designing stuff. Canva Pro is good. Like they have like a 30 days free trial. You can want to try that. If you want to test some of Canva's Pro features, you can test it for free. 30 days is enough time to test stuff for like free. Okay, to use the Pro plan for free. But if you want to continue using the Pro plan, then you have to pay. But if you don't use the Pro plan at all, the free plan, even with the free plan, like you have a lot. There's a lot you could do even with the free plan. That said, you could create you could definitely create your stuff on Canva, your creatives on Canva. And if you feel like you're not doing a good enough job and you want maybe a more experienced person who is more experienced with designing and stuff, there's a service called Fiverr. So let's go to Fiverr. A service called Fiverr. Of course, I will leave a link to Fiverr on the comments. Right. So this is just a quick introduction to Fiverr. With Canva, you could do a lot of editing by yourself, and definitely you could practice it and you could come out great. But if maybe you feel like you want to outsource your creatives to maybe someone else, a freelancer, Fiverr is a good platform. I'll leave a link to it below. So you could just go to logo. You could just click on logo design, and you'll be able to find people who can design your logos for you. You'll be able to find, yeah, you'll be able to find people who can design your logos for you. And this is the amount of people charge. This person charges $40, $20, you know. Yeah, you can filter by price. You can filter by price and stuff. Yeah, logo design, $10. So you could filter by price. You could find people who can design, depending on the logo you want. If you're looking at videos, You could find people who can design videos for you, and you could see their different prices and their different let's just say product video. Yeah, you could find different people can design videos for you, and you can see there are different prices here for designing videos on Canva. Some people charge 70, some people are really expensive, some is cheaper, $40. Yeah, some people are really expensive, some is cheaper, $40, the 700, 130. This person charges $36, $35 for video editing. So you could search for like different themes. And if you wanted to do graphic design, you could search for graphic design. And then again, you could see different freelancers that you could pay. Those are cheap, like $10, $25, and $30. Some are cheaper, some are expensive, but you'll be able to like look through each person's work and their gig, see through their work and what they are offering, the service they're offering. So basically, this tutorial was about creatives, especially for e-commerce and dropshipping business. Now you can totally do all of this yourself using Canva free plan. If you want more features, which I do recommend, you could upgrade to Canva Pro plan. But if you feel like, oh, I want to get someone to do it, when you're an entrepreneur that is just starting, I honestly recommend learning things yourself. I do recommend it. But sometimes you want more quality, and that's okay. The good thing is put out good stuff out there, because put out good stuff at the end of the day. That's the main thing. I do recommend learning yourself, but if you feel like, okay, you want something more pro and stuff, and you want to outsource that, then I highly recommend finding a freelancer on Fiverr that can make this creative for you, and there are different prices. Anyways, I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.